Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Hey, I have a couple updates for everybody waiting on projects. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get right to it. All right, here we go. So we just got back from the Maryland and the North Carolina projects. That went actually very smooth. And before I go on, I'd just like to thank Daniel and Walt for coming to Maryland with myself and Liam to help us get that project done. And then they had to go home Sunday, and Monday we went to North Carolina, and my friend Emily came down and helped us, and that was a great big help. So it was a lot of work getting those projects done, but we are back, and the next one going out is going to be this bar going to Michigan. So I know everybody's waiting on your rethatches, which as soon as we get back from Michigan, well, we're going to start doing all those, everybody in order in which they came in. So that's all we're going to be focusing on when we get back from Michigan. So today is July 1st, and obviously there wasn't enough time for us to regroup ourselves here, get everything loaded, and get on the road to Michigan before the holiday, which is 3 days away. So what's Liam doing? Liam's cleaning out the trailer now. We're getting everything. We're going to get this bar. We're going to get everything set and ready to go. Hopefully we're going to try and leave by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So we're going to keep an eye on the weather, and we'll see how that goes. So as far as everybody waiting for rethatches, thank you guys for all your patience. As I've stated in the past, and when you asked me to do them, the rethatches are kind of like fill-in work when we're in between projects and stuff. But like I said, when we get back from Michigan, we're going to be concentrating on all the rethatches. So again, the weather's going to determine where and when we go, although I'm going to try and keep everybody in order as you guys asked me to do them. So when it's 100, so when we were in North Carolina the second day, it was 110 the day we finished up was the heat index. I think it was 103 was the actual temperature. So we actually got out there super early in the morning, and we were able to finish up by 11. And we were cleaning up between 11 and 12, and that sun was just brutal. So if these temperatures, we're not going to get on a roof in 100 plus degree weather with high humidity. It's too much. So we'll keep an eye on the weather. I'll be in contact with everybody. So don't worry, we are coming. We're going to get your projects done. I know you're all anxious, but I can only do so much. It's just me and Liam. So we will be there. So if anybody has any questions, just give me a shout. You all have my phone number. So give me a call, text me, whatever you guys want to do. All right, I'll be sending this video to all you guys so you at least have an update and you know what's going on. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great 4th of July weekend, and I'll be seeing all of you soon from Tiki Kev Shop. Tiki Kev out.